overrated, or am I faded? You shine so bright, it's an understatement. Single is overrated. If you get too close, my baby, might let you take me back. Take me back, baby. Take me back, baby, baby, baby. Take me back, baby. Hindsight, take me back, baby. It's 2020. You've been so patient. Oh, I kept you waiting.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to another video. For those who are new here, my name is Grace. As you can see, I'm starting a whole new vlog today. Today is Saturday the 16th of March, and I hope you guys are good. I hope you're okay. Yeah, as I told you guys, I'm starting a whole new vlog today. I just woke up a couple of minutes ago. I want to go shower and prep. I will be going to work much later on in the evening, but I want to get out of the house a little bit earlier today. And yeah, that's what I'm going to do with you guys this part of the morning. I'm going to have my shower, then have my breakfast, see if I'm going to complete my editing because I have a couple of editing to do. I'm just going to like put some music on my my video, which is to go up tomorrow. And yeah, thank you so much guys for all the support, the comments that I'm receiving, all the subscriptions. And yeah, I'm really grateful to you all. And don't forget to like this video, share, comment, and subscribe. I'm going to see you guys later on. Yeah, so these are the products I'm going to use today. This lotion actually, and I'm gonna use this tab 0%. It is the it's the coconut jasmine. It's the coconut and jasmine scent. Then I have this Johnson and Johnson, and I have this cocoa butter 5-in-1 from Nivea. I think you guys saw this in my last video, and these are the scents that I'm gonna use. I'm going to go in with the gardenia, and I'm going to go in with this, and this is the Victor and Rolf. This is Ruby Orchid by Victor and Rolf. So yeah, let me dress up and see you guys in a few. So guys, this is my feet. Actually, I'm just wearing my normal scrubs to work, and I've done my skincare already. And what else? Nothing else. I've shown you guys, this is the scent that I will be using for the day. This is the Victor and Rolf Ruby Orchid. And yeah, also this is the bag that I will be carrying as well. It's gonna have my book inside, the current book that I'm reading, and of course the camera, and my laptop as well. Those are the only things that I'm gonna carry because I'm going to edit and read as well. That's all. So currently I want to go have breakfast, and yeah, let's go.
Situations you have to go through. I think I need therapy now. Recycling all the.
So guys, this is how my breakfast is looking like. I'm having scrambled eggs here, tomatoes on the sides, and this is a lemon muffin cake and some tea on the side with my favorite cup from Christmas. So yeah.
Heard it a million times, 'cause I tell myself all the same lie. Don't go out nearly as much as I should. Barely know the way around my neighborhood. I'm ruminating, I feel no good. Not living life like I know I could. Like I know I could. Like I know I should. Like I know I could. Oh, if you would show me. If you would show me, yeah. If you would show me, yeah. Thought that I'd be healing now. I didn't think I'd have to feel this now. I thought I would've moved on, but somehow the feeling's still strong. Like I'll be on my way out, thinking that I'm good, right? Suddenly you pass by, now you're stuck on my mind, thinking I was done now. But I guess I'll never be tired of you. Of you. Of you. Know that I'ma ignore you all night. Know that I'ma decline your calls, right? But I know that when I get home, I'll check in my phone to see what you want, see what you wrote, 'cause I wanna know. Yeah, I'll be on my way out, thinking that I'm good, right? Suddenly you pass by, now you're stuck on my mind, thinking I was done now. But I guess I'll never be tired of you. Of you. Of you. So tell me why I get this feeling now. Oh, tell me why I get this feeling now. Been a couple years that I'll be healing now. Been a couple years thought that I'll be healing now. I really didn't think I'd have to feel this now. Oh, like I'll be on my way out, thinking that I'm good, right? Suddenly you pass by, now you're stuck on my mind, thinking I was done now. But I guess I'll never be tired of you. Of you. Of you. Of you. I really didn't think I'd have to feel like this. You don't care what you're doing to me. I've been down in the ruins so deep. All the games that you played, all the love you forsaken, you let it slip away. You don't care what you're doing to me. Every setback, every mishap, every time you say you gon' change.
Hey guys, I hope you guys are well. It's Monday. I just wanted to check in. I went to school earlier on, but I'm back. I was back like an hour ago or so. And yeah, I just wanted to check in here, and I hope you guys are good. This vlog is still on and it's still continuing. And yeah, currently just want to go have a snack. And if you don't see this face today again, we'll meet each other tomorrow. And yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying this video so far. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, and comment. See you later.
Cause your words never match what you do, how you act, so I can't just take you back. Never fool me once, never fool me twice. If you love me, you'll react. You should cry an ocean for me, for the dumb shit and the damage you've done. Cause I've been crying oceans for weeks. Tried to fight it, but I'm drowning alone. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa. Every setback, every mishap, every time you say you gon' change. Say you get it, you regret it, I forgive it, but you stay the same. You should cry an ocean for me, for the dumb shit and the damage you've done. Cause I've been crying oceans for weeks. Tried to fight it, but I'm drowning alone. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa. I wish I had the same delusion that I do when I was 2 and didn't think that I could ruin anything at all. I could never fall. I wish I had that same conviction, convinced I never needed fixing. Yeah, that girl really knew her business. Where did she go? Yeah, she thought she could do anything, thought she could get anywhere. Confident she's number one, and if nothing, everybody's wrong. Used to be calm, now I can't remember how I used to do it. That I was a member of Confidence Club, cause that don't last forever. I wish I saw what she saw. I wish I knew what she knew. I love how she just don't look back.
Hello, boys and girls. Wow, I'm back again, showing this face again. I hope you guys are good and okay. It's so cold. That's why you guys are seeing me in this jumper. So let me remove it. First and foremost, guys, it's cold. I don't know what's happening with today's weather. It's been snowing like almost the whole day. No, yesterday night it snowed as well. Wait, this thing is leaving. Yeah, it snowed yesterday, and what else? Yeah, currently we are from shopping, and I wanted to do a haul with you guys. That's why you guys are seeing me here again. Yeah. So that's what I want to do with you guys right now. I want to do a whole haul with you guys as fast as possible. Then we'll see what's next. So let me show you what I have. Then from there we'll talk. Okay. So guys, this is what I'm working with. I have shopping over here, and I also have some on this other side. As you saw earlier on, we went to Costco with my mom and my sister. We went for shopping, and we usually go for shopping there once because things come in bulk, you see. So I want to do a haul with you guys, a quick one for that matter, and show you everything and explain to you everything. Then from there we'll see what's next, so stick around. So first things first, I'm going to begin with milk. We usually do 1%, as you can see here. Since we're not in Kenya, and since you're not since you're not in Kenya back home, milk is totally different from what we used to have back home. It's 1%. How should I put it? Home milk has a lot of fat in it, but milk on this side, it is skimmed, and they usually come in percentages here in Canada. So for us, we usually have it in different percentages. We either have it in 1% or 2%. So this time we went with 1%. The brand, it's called Barney's, and they usually come 4 in a pack. It just depends with which type of milk you've taken. If you've taken the ones which have three packs inside, it's still okay, but we either take 4 of these, one which has 4 packets inside, and it lasts us maybe for a week or 2 weeks. And yeah, it's good because not everybody in this house has tea. It's only me and my mom, and my sister doesn't have tea that much. So yeah, let me go put this in the fridge, then I we proceed with the haul. I'm back. So first things first, I'm going to continue with this haul, and I'm going to kick us off with the juices that we've bought. Costco is a warehouse, and things are being bought in bulk. So how should I say it? There won't be any need of you to go to the supermarket over and over and over again in the course of the week. When you buy things in bulk there, you only buy things once, and they're going to last you for a month or 2 or so. So yeah, so I'm going to begin with this. These juices are pineapple bursts. Let me show them to you. They are pineapple bursts, as you guys can see, and there are 6 of them. Actually, there are 6 boxes of juices in here. Then I also have these. This is mango nectar, as you can see there. And also, in regards to juices, no, not in regards to juices, these are the only 2 juices that we bought for today. Actually, I'm not seeing any other. We've bought water, but we've bought sparkling water, and this is the specific sparkling water we usually have. This, it's from Kirkland, and they taste so good, so good. They are really nice, and I don't know how many they are. They are 0 calories, and they come in the flavor. Let me see. They come in the flavor black raspberry, orange mango, and kiwi strawberry, and they are really good. They taste so nice. So yeah, that is done. We are done with the water and the juices. On to my next part. We went ahead and we got this. I requested my mom for this. This is Oxy Cleaner. It is a detergent. How should I say it? It is it's not a detergent, it is stain remover. Is it? Yeah, it's a stain remover. So it is the OxyClean. This is how it looks like, and I know this is going to last us for quite some time, because I've noticed that my sheets are okay. I noticed that my sheets are not coming out that clean after I've washed them. They either come out stained or something on the sort, and we don't mix up clothes. We really don't mix up clothes. We do separate them, and we ensure that our clothes are sorted out before we go in with our washing or anything else in the machine. So we went ahead and got this. It is a, oh my god, it is the, yeah, it's a stain remover, like I said, guys. It's the stain remover. Also, we got this. This is for the dishwashing like soap that we use. So this is what we went for actually, and I'm noticing that my lighting is not good. I don't know why. Yes, I'm so sorry, my lighting was not good at that point. So like I was saying, we also went ahead and got this. This is the palm oil advanced. This is the dishwashing soap. Yeah, also I have covers on this side, and I'll just remove them one by one. Oh, under the soaps we got this. These are the sheets for the dryer. We usually use this or a different one. I'm gonna show you guys. This is Bounce, and they are, they're 2 packs as you can see, and they smell really good actually. Also we got this as well. These are bathing soaps, body washes actually. These are only ultra moisturize and ultra hydrant. It's in the shea butter, and yeah, this is that of this. So we also got Advil as well. These are painkillers here. These are my mom's as well. These are calcium, as you can see as well. We also went ahead and got shampoo for our hair, and we went with the herbal essential. It's sulfate free. Hey, sulfate free. Sorry. It's sulfate free, and it is in the eucalyptus and potent aloe. That's what it's written over here. I hope you guys can be able to see. For the Advil, we usually carry Advils in our bags, apart from my sister. She doesn't carry, I don't know why, but my mom does carry. These are definitely going to be with her if anyone is in need of them. I'm not in need of them anytime soon. So yeah, in other news, let's continue. So we also went with this down 16 pieces. These are going to last us a while. Yeah, a while. So we went with Dove. Always good, always good. Yeah. These are my sisters. These are the raffle all dressed shirts. My sister likes this a lot, so she decided to take this. Listerine as well. We also got Listerine. As you can see, they're also going to last us a while as well. And for meat, we only got this drumsticks. Nothing much. We only got these. Yeah, they're drumsticks. These are the only types of meat that we got today. Chicken and eggs as well. I think I've left something else in the car. Let me pick it up and I'm coming. I'm back. Why do we Canadians go to Costco? We only go to Costco for one thing. Toilet papers. I only go to Costco for two things: toilet papers and paper towels. That is the only thing people go to Costco for. Otherwise, the rest of the shopping centers are also shopping centers. It's because, guys, if you go for shopping at Costco and you get tissue in bulk, you won't go there again in like months or weeks, depending on how you use them, you see. So the reason why we went to Costco today is because of toilet papers and paper towels only. And as you guys have seen, they're so heavy. Actually, they come in bulk. They are 12 rolls. Let me show you. You can see they're so heavy. And for the toilet papers, wow, there are so many. They're about 380, is it? Let me see. Yeah, they are 30 rolls inside here. 30 rolls. They are a lot, guys. They are gonna last you a whole while. So if you're in Canada and you haven't gone to Costco, please go to Costco and get yourself a whole pack of tissue, because you won't have to go to the shopping. You won't have to go to Northfields or Zayas to go get toilet papers every week. You've sorted and secured. So yeah, guys, that's it for my shopping haul. I'm just going to arrange them where they're supposed to be arranged. Then we see if we're gonna cook. Then yeah, we wrap up. No, we don't wrap up. We wrap up for the day. Then I'm gonna catch you guys tomorrow. So cheers. So guys, I hope you guys are going to be able to see me from here. When it comes to preparing greens, kale, spinach, cabbage, yeah, I love going with onions only. I don't like using tomatoes because tomatoes tend to give me heartburn in most cases. So I'm not cooking this like for myself. I'm cooking this for my mom. That's just a tip that I'm giving you all, like how I cook by kills. I usually use onions, any onions. Today I'm gonna use the white onions, as you can see from the screen. And this is the type of kales that we usually go with here in Canada, since we are not back at home, like he said earlier on. So these are already chopped, as you can see from here. They are already chopped, and these are kales, and this is spinach, as you can see there. So yeah, they are chopped spinach already, and they are chopped kales. That's what I want to cook right now. Then from there, I'll wrap up today's segments with you guys when I'm done. Then I'm gonna see you guys probably on tomorrow or on Thursday. If I don't see you guys tomorrow, I'm going to see you on Thursday. So let's do this.
Everyone gets hurt. That's how we learn to make love work. It's part of life, but if you need a lullaby, baby, don't cry no more. Just let her walk out your door. Baby, don't cry. down, you're on my phone, running game. But maybe, baby, when it settles in that you're to blame, we could move on, pick up where we went wrong, baby. Everyone gets hurt, that's how we learn to make love work. It's part of life, but if you need a lullaby, baby, don't cry no more. Just let her walk out your door. Baby, don't cry no more. Mama's here, 'cause maybe in time you'll see, maybe I can be all you need. Yeah, lay all your love on me. Mama's here. Oh, I wrote a lullaby for you. No, no, no. I had a dream last night. Did everything I never do in real life. I stepped into a room, told everyone to be quiet, 'cause I had something to say. Blew everybody away, wear whatever I want. Dressed in a gown, everybody's like, why, where you going? Nowhere special, just going to the store. I think I'd have it all, tell you I have even more. Picking a plate, being a plate, she is unruly. Never seen her like this, didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in her way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me, 'cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no. 'Cause these are
Boys and girls, this is how my nail is looking like. This side, like, it's only for this, nothing less, nothing more, nothing less. So I'm done.
She can make all the problems disappear. She could tell you the things you wanna hear. She could read your mind and that you could believe all the little lies to tell yourself at night. Never get it wrong, it's always right. Making the plate, being the plate, she is unruly. Never seen her like this, didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in her way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me, 'cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no. 'Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no.
to take this shoe. Maybe something bad. So this is a size 9 actually. Family, hi.
Soon invite. Hi. Hey, what's up, good people? Soon invite.
Now I say your name without the pain behind it. I'm moved on now. I'm not trying to impress you anymore. Spending all this time trying to get you out my mind. Oh, it feels so good to take you off the pedestal. I don't know what I was thinking. Let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for a lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah, yeah, that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah. I'm going back to the table round. Oh, they saving us up for the stable friend of mine. Cause they know all this time that I was out my mind, thinking you were the one, that it was love, feelings were strong. I should've known, I should know. I don't know what I was thinking. Let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion.
Hey guys, I'm showing my face here again today. I know you guys have not seen me today and I've not talked today actually. It's cause I woke up grumpy. I don't know why. I think it's because I'm having my cramps today, my period today, that's why. But I'm good. We are from having dinner with my friend and his sister, and we are back home. I also passed through Urban Planet to get a pair of shoes, and I ended up getting 2 pairs of shoes. So that's what I want to show you guys. I also cooked earlier on and I prepared mandazis because that's what I felt like having for breakfast today. And yeah, so let me show you guys the shoes that I got. And yeah, so before that, Saturday I'm having a birthday to attend, a friend's birthday to attend, and she was like, the theme color is black and gold, and it was like, it's gonna be so hard for me to get gold right now, so I decided to go with this pairs of shoes. As you guys can see, also forgive my hair, I'm undoing my hair. It's halfway done and halfway not done, so that's why I'm looking like this. So back to what I was telling you guys about. I was saying that I got this pair of shoe. This is in gold. I don't want too much of gold and I don't want too much of black. I just want to blend everything well, and I don't want to overdress, and also I don't want to be too cute than the birthday girl. I just want to be there. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. I just want to be there, and hence why I'm putting on like sandals. Yeah, because I need to be putting on heels. Also, I know you guys saw my nails. That was so yuck. Yeah, right. I'll be doing my nails soon, and by Saturday they'll be looking good. So yeah, so I got this pair in gold, and I also got these in brown. They're looking really cute. Apparently when it comes to shoes nowadays, I usually go a size higher. So for my flat shoes this time around, I've gone up to a size 10. As you can see there, like this is the type of like size that fits me when it comes to these kind of shoes. have others, but they're in size 9. They fit me really well, but these ones and these ones, I decided to go a size higher than my usual. I'm usually a 7 to 7.5 there, but in terms of Canadian shoes, I go a size higher. But when I'm back home, I usually put on 7 to 7.5. So yeah. Oh, before I forget, I also got this. Let me check. I also went ahead and got this. These are pimple patches. Apparently the ones that I usually use from Corex are done. I'm over and done with them, and then I wanted to go to Walmart to get them because I felt it was a bit far, and so I went with these, hoping they're gonna work. Yeah, they're return blemish patch with vitamin C. Yeah, I've never tried this kind of pimple patches before. This is my first time to try them, and hopefully they are gonna work on my face. So yeah, they were about $6 or so, and that is it for the haul, and that is it for my day. I'm going to catch you guys tomorrow morning, and we'll continue this vlog. So you know, this vlog is not edited yet. I'm here to edit this vlog. Today I was just lazing around, and yeah, I'm not going to work. I haven't gone to work today. I'm going to go to work tomorrow and Saturday. The only time I'm gonna go to work is on Sunday morning, and this vlog has to be up on Sunday. So yeah, so let me sit down, see if I'm gonna edit or start edit this vlog. I'm so sorry guys, my lenses. Let me see if I'm going to start editing this vlog, and I'm going to see you guys soon. So see you tomorrow.
Lay all our love before him with all of our faith. He is the change within us. There is a light. Let him lead the way. Lift our hands up and pray today. Oh, pray. Everyone needs somebody to lean on. Everyone needs someone who cares. If we come together as one, help each other get stronger. We are bound in the name of the Lord. So let's come together, celebrate each other, stand united as one. We lift our hands up and pray. Lay all our love before him with all of our faith. He is the change within us. There is a light. Let him lead the way. Lift our hands up and pray today. Oh, pray. Oh, pray. Oh, pray. Oh, pray. So let's come together. Yeah, let's come together. We lift our hands up and pray. Lay all our love before him with all of our faith. He is the change within us. There is a light. Let him lead the way. Lift our hands up and pray today. Oh, pray. Oh, he comes to when he wants to dance. And I wonder what's that like. I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish he felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I've got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name. What's it like to hold his hand when he tells you that you're all he wants? And it's midnight, oh, I'm thinking about him. I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish he felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I've got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name. I wanna hold his hand, 'cause I can't stop thinking about him. And would he understand if I
Okay. Hello guys, I know I've not spoken to you guys the whole of today. No, yesterday. I did my nails yesterday. You guys are going to see them in the next few minutes, or when I get to the location where I'm going. I am running late. We are supposed to be there at 6:30. Yeah, I don't know what time is it. It's either 6 or 15 or something of the sort. But I want to show you guys something quick. I'm going to show you guys the lip gloss that I'm wearing. Yeah, I'm wearing this. This is Fenty Beauty, and it is the Fenty sweet mouth. Sweet mouth. I'm hoping you guys can be able to see that. Also, this will be my shoes for the night, actually. Yes, because we are wearing black and gold, and this is generally what I'm gonna wear. I'm gonna wear sandals for tonight. What else? Fragrance of the night. This is what I've gone with tonight. This is the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Cheriosa number 50. I got it from Sephora sometime back. No, last year. This as well, I've been with it for the longest time. It's the Valentino Donna Bonaroma fragrance, an amazing fragrance that I really, really love, and I wear it on special occasions. Oh God, forgive me. Anyways, guys, yeah, that's that. I'm not wearing much. This vlog is gonna end today. If you guys would be able to see this face here again, thank you guys so much for reaching till the end of this vlog. I love you all so much. Receive all the kisses and the hugs from me to you on this other side. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys, and if you have watched this vlog till the end, don't forget to leave a heart down in the comment section. And yeah, I'm going to see you all in the next video, so bye.
other roses, smell other roses with me. Just give you a moment, stay a moment with me. Stay in the moment with me.
space. I see you climbing, been trying to find your way. Let's see you smiling. Since we were stuck in LA, babe, come jump the rooftop and come watch the skyline with me.
Give me